Yeah! You are on Expert Explain, and I am Dr. Wendy Chong from Columbia Asia Hospital Petaling Jaya, and I'm here to share with you 5 tips on how to fight common cold and flu. If you have a cold or cough, your doctor may not prescribe you antibiotics because it is for bacterial infection and not for viral like your cold, sore throat and flu. So what can you do to fight off common cough and flu? Surprise, 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 ta-da! Over-the-counter medicine may help, or some home remedies also can help to reduce the symptoms. There is no point in resisting cough, but there are ways to manage it. Tips 1. Hydrate with water and soup. This hydrate your throat and also loosen your airway mucus. Tips 2. Gargle with a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water to soothe your sore throat. Tips 3. Get enough of rest, sleep, and avoid exhaustion to let your body recover. Tips 4. Take a sip of warm liquid like chicken soup, warm apple juice to relieve congestion. Tips 5. Find over-the-counter medication with anti-phlegm products. They will help to clear off the cough with phlegm and also help to strengthen your lung function. If your symptoms don't go away or get worse, see a doctor. Keep your airway clear. Follow Motherhood and Dr. Wendy Chong for more Expert Explain.